Alright people, Big Ed here, doing a video on the Harley 1993 ELECTRAGLIDE FLHS. Today I'm doing a video on my speedometer that I'm putting in. Right there. I had to make a mount for it right there. Took a piece of flat steel and mounted it on there. The piece they give me, it wasn't it was like a hair too short. I couldn't get it to tighten up around there. The bolt was going at an angle like that. It wouldn't go straight through the hole because that piece that goes around the handlebars right there was messed up. And I've got the wiring harness done. This thing has let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wires. And what I did was it wasn't the harness on the wires off the speedometer only come right about to here. So I found some old scrap wire out in the shed there, and I matched up the colors, blue to blue, red to red, and just extended it. And then I got this little Molex connector, and I had to put those pieces on the end there, the female connectors. But this is a V-twin speedometer. I guess it's like a universal one. But the red wire, I wrote it down. So when I get ready to, I'm going to be hooking into the old harness right here. This harness went to the dash that I used to have up here. So there's a couple wires on that I won't be connecting because I'm not doing a tachometer and a couple other lights I'm not doing. Anyways, the red wire is the oil light. The blue wire is my high beam. The neutral light is the green one. And two yellow light wires. There's two yellow ones in there. Let's see if I can. Two yellow ones are turn signals, and then the black is a ground. Now this had two blacks. It had two black wires coming off the back of it. One for, I guess, for the illumination light, and then one for the other stuff. I just tied those two in together. So you had a black one coming out here and a black one down there. But I tied the two black ones together and I put them into the ground. That's the black ground. Anyways, I'm going to be so this is ready to plug in. I've already tested it and everything. It seems to be okay. You never fucking know anymore. Just right when you think you're getting a couple steps ahead, you got to take quite a few steps back. I screwed up. I put that connector on before I put the casing on, so I had to cut the connector off. It's a bitch trying to get them things out of there. I actually had to cut the wire and put some more female connectors on. But I'm about getting ready to do my cover also for the bike. I'm going to take you into the shed here and see. Get some lights on in here. I got like 3 sheds. I try to keep all my motorcycle stuff in one, but it's hard. So this is the ignition cover. Got some holes drilled. This piece right here is going to be on there like, kind of like that. This is going to be painted black. I put some JB Weld here because they welded it up, but it had a little. It's not going to be perfect. I don't care if it's perfect, but I'm waiting for that to settle up right now, and then I got to sand it a little bit. And I got to clean that, and then I'm going to paint it. I'm just going to paint it black. But that's what's going on right now. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Like always, peace out.